Are you struggling with stubborn belly fat that just won't go away? No matter how hard you try, you've tried dieting, exercising, even fasting, but that belly just sticks around like an uninvited guest. Here's the shocking truth. It might not be what you're eating that's the problem. It could be what you're still allowing yourself to eat. In this video, I'll reveal 6 common foods you must avoid if you want to shrink your waistline, reduce bloating, and finally feel confident in your clothes again. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a bonus tip that can make all the difference in your fat loss journey. Before we dive in, a quick but important disclaimer. Always consult your doctor or a certified nutritionist before making any major changes to your diet, especially if you have a medical condition or take medications. This video is for educational purposes and general guidance. Also, if you enjoy practical science-backed health tips that actually work, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. 1. Sugary beverages, the silent belly fat bully. Soda, fruit juice, sweetened iced tea, and energy drinks. These are some of the worst offenders when it comes to belly fat. Here's why. Even just 1 can of soda a day can lead to visceral fat accumulation, the dangerous kind that wraps around your organs. These drinks are packed with liquid sugar, which spikes insulin, the fat storage hormone. Unlike solid food, your brain doesn't register liquid calories the same way, meaning you can consume hundreds of extra calories without feeling full. That's why studies consistently show that people who drink sugary beverages have higher abdominal fat levels than those who don't. Instead of soda or processed juice, choose lemon water, herbal teas, freshly blended smoothies without added sugar. 2. Refined carbohydrates, white bread, white rice, and pasta. You might love your morning toast or bowl of white rice, but refined carbs are belly fat's best friend. These carbs have been stripped of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them digest super fast, which spikes your blood sugar and insulin. When insulin is high, your body switches from fat-burning mode to fat-storing mode, especially around your midsection. The more often this happens, the more likely you'll develop insulin resistance, leading to weight gain and even type 2 diabetes. A diet high in refined grains also leads to inflammation, which is closely linked to abdominal obesity. Try switching to 1. Brown rice, 2. Whole grain bread, 3. Quinoa or barley, 4. Sweet potatoes instead of pasta, 5. Small swaps can make a massive difference. 3. Trans fats, the artificial fat that expands your waist. If there's one type of fat you should run from, it's trans fat, found in margarine, packaged snacks, frozen pizza, and fast foods. Trans fats increase inflammation, insulin resistance, and yes, belly fat. What's scary is that even when you think you're avoiding it, trans fats may still be hiding in your food under names like partially hydrogenated oils on ingredient lists. Studies have shown that consuming trans fats doesn't just increase overall body fat. It specifically increases abdominal fat, even if you're eating the same number of calories. Avoid 1. Packaged baked goods, cakes, cookies. 2. Microwave popcorn with butter flavor. 3. Frozen dinners. 4. Creamers and spreads with hydrogenated oils. Choose healthy fats like 1. Olive oil, 2. Avocados, 3. Nuts and seeds, 4. Fatty fish like salmon, 4. Processed meats, sausages, bacon, and deli cuts. Bacon for breakfast? Maybe not if you want a flat belly. Processed meats are loaded with saturated fat, preservatives, and sodium, which can cause water retention and bloating. But more than that, they contribute to chronic inflammation, which is a key driver of weight gain, especially around your midsection. Consuming processed meats regularly is also linked to a higher risk of heart disease, diabetes, and colon cancer. Your body doesn't just store the excess calories. It stores the inflammation and hormonal imbalance they create right in your belly. Healthier alternatives. 1. Grilled chicken. 2. Tuna or salmon. 3. Plant-based protein like lentils or beans. 4. Tofu or tempeh for a meat-free option. The next time you reach for bacon or salami, ask yourself, is it worth that belly fat? 5. Baked goods and pastries, sweet but dangerous. Cupcakes, donuts, croissants, muffins. These aren't just treats. They're belly fat bombs in disguise, loaded with refined sugar, flour, and unhealthy fats. These pastries create a perfect storm for belly fat accumulation. The quick sugar spike followed by a crash causes your body to crave more sugar, creating a vicious cycle of overeating and fat storage. Not to mention, many of these baked goods are calorie-dense but nutritionally empty, meaning you eat more to feel satisfied but gain more in return. Even healthy-looking options like bran muffins or fruit-filled pastries can be high in sugar and calories. Choose. 1. Homemade oats with cinnamon and fruit. 2. Greek yogurt with nuts. 3. Rice cakes with almond butter. 4. Dark chocolate, 70% plus, for the occasional sweet fix. 6. Store-bought salad dressings and sauces, the hidden fat trap. Yes, even your healthy salad could be secretly expanding your waistline. Store-bought dressings, barbecue sauces, and ketchup often contain hidden sugars, trans fats, and sodium, which silently contribute to belly fat. 1 tablespoon of ranch or honey mustard can pack in as much sugar as a cookie, and you probably use 3 to 4 tablespoons without realizing it. What's worse, many commercial brands sneak in high fructose corn syrup and hydrogenated oils, which lead to insulin spikes and fat storage, especially around your belly. Better alternatives. Make your own vinaigrette with olive oil, lemon, and herbs. Use mashed avocado or hummus as a creamy dressing. Read nutrition labels carefully and choose low-sugar, oil-based options. So next time you make a healthy meal, don't let the dressing undo your efforts. Here's your bonus tip. Even if you avoid all 6 foods we mentioned, you won't see the results you want unless you also reduce your stress and sleep better. Why? High stress equals high cortisol equals stubborn belly fat. Poor sleep equals disrupted hormones equals increased hunger and fat storage. So don't just focus on food. Focus on your lifestyle. Let's do a quick recap. To reduce belly fat, avoid 1. Sugary beverages. 2. Refined carbs. 3. Trans fats. 4. Processed meats. 5. Baked goods and pastries. 6. Store-bought salad dressings and sauces. And remember, talk to your doctor before starting any new diet plan. Your body is unique, and professional guidance can make your journey healthier and more effective. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments. Which of these foods are you cutting out starting today? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's ready to ditch belly fat for good. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon for more easy-to-follow, science-backed tips that make a real difference in your health journey.